Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can delete the update cache of your Windows. So deleting the update cache, this can also speed up and boost the performance of your Windows, and if it is not necessary, then why just simply delete it? So how can we delete that? Let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Explorer. You will find File Explorer under the best match, so all you have to do is simply click on that. Now here in the File Explorer window, in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for this PC. And here you'll find your Windows C drive, your Windows operating system. Click on that. Then we need to scroll down and look for the Windows folder. This one. Double click on the Windows folder. Now simply scroll down and you will find the software distribution folder. This one, double click. And here you will find download. Double click. So all you have to do is delete everything from here. Click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all the items. Hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on continue. So the path is this PC, Windows C drive, Windows software distribution, and download. And that's it. You have just deleted the update cache of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.